There is a silent prison that millions of people live in every single day. A prison without bars, without guards, without chains, yet it holds them tighter than any cage ever could. That prison is called the past. Think about it for a moment. Somewhere right now, someone is refusing to chase their dream because years ago someone told them they weren't good enough. Somewhere a person is sitting in a small room, staring at the ceiling at night, replaying the same old mistakes again and again like a broken movie they cannot stop watching. And slowly, without realizing it, they begin to believe that their past failures are a prophecy for their future. But here is the dangerous lie nobody talks about. Your past is not a life sentence. It is only a chapter. The problem is, most people stop reading their story right there. They convince themselves that because something went wrong before, it will go wrong again. Because they failed once, they must always fail. Because someone left them, they must not be worthy of love. Because they were weak before, they must stay weak forever. And day after day, year after year, they carry those memories like heavy stones in a backpack that keeps getting heavier, until eventually they stop walking toward their dreams altogether. But what if I told you that the past has absolutely no power over you, unless you give it permission? Think about that carefully. The past cannot reach out and grab your future. It cannot walk into tomorrow and ruin your opportunities. It cannot destroy the person you are becoming. The only way the past controls your life is if you keep dragging it with you into every new day. Imagine trying to run forward while constantly looking backward. Imagine trying to build something new while holding on to pieces of something broken. It doesn't work. And yet that is exactly what so many people do. They wake up each morning carrying old regrets, old shame, old guilt, old fears. They remember the exam they failed, the opportunity they missed, the person they disappointed, the moment they gave up. And instead of learning from those moments, they allow those moments to define who they believe they are. But here is the truth that changes everything. The strongest people you admire today were not born strong. The most successful people you see today were not always winners. In fact, if you could see their past clearly, you would probably be shocked by how many times they failed, how many times they were rejected, how many nights they spent doubting themselves. The difference is not that their past was perfect. The difference is they refused to live inside it. They understood something powerful. Your past can teach you, but it should never control you. Because the person you were 5 years ago is not the person you are today. The mistakes you made before were made by an older version of you that knew less, understood less, and had less experience. And if you keep punishing yourself for those mistakes forever, you are basically locking yourself in a cage that no longer even exists. Think about a snake for a moment. A snake grows by shedding its old skin. If it tried to keep wearing that old skin forever, it would suffocate. Humans are the same way. Growth requires letting go of who you used to be, so you can become who you are meant to be. But many people refuse to shed that old skin. They keep identifying with their worst moments. They introduce themselves to the world through their pain. They say things like, "I'm bad at this. I always fail. Nothing ever works out for me." And with every sentence, they unknowingly write the script of their future using the ink of their past. But imagine if one day you woke up and decided that your past would no longer have the authority to tell your story. Imagine deciding that yesterday's mistakes are not evidence of your limits. They are evidence of your growth. Imagine understanding that failure is not proof that you are incapable. It is proof that you were brave enough to try. Because every single successful person in history has one thing in common. They all have a past full of mistakes. The difference is, they didn't build a home there. They visited, they learned, and then they kept moving forward. The past is supposed to be a teacher, not a prison. Yet so many people treat it like a permanent address. They replay old embarrassment, old heartbreak, old failures, until those memories become heavier than their dreams. And the tragic part is that most of the time, the world has already moved on, but they haven't. They are still fighting ghosts that nobody else even remembers. But what if today was the day you finally made a decision? A decision that your story is not finished yet. What if today you stopped asking why did that happen to me and started asking what can I become because of it? Because the truth is, your past does not determine your future. Your decisions do. Every sunrise is a new opportunity to rewrite the direction of your life. Every new day is a blank page, waiting for you to decide what kind of story you want to live next. And the moment you stop defining yourself by who you used to be, you create space for who you can become. But most people never reach that moment of realization, because letting go of the past is uncomfortable. It feels strange to stop blaming yesterday for today. It feels unfamiliar to wake up without carrying the same old story. Yet that discomfort is the doorway to transformation. Think about the way a storm reshapes the land. Trees bend, rivers change course, and the sky clears with a kind of calm that only chaos can create. In the same way, your hardest moments were never meant to trap you. They were meant to shape you. Every disappointment you faced, every rejection that stung, every time you felt small or invisible, those moments carved something deeper inside you. They taught you resilience, patience, humility, and awareness. But if you only look at the pain, you miss the power hidden within it. You see, the past is like a mirror placed behind you. It exists so you can glance back and learn where you came from. But if you stare at it while trying to move forward, you will crash into the future blindly. Many people spend years staring into that mirror. They analyze every detail of what went wrong. They replay every awkward moment, every failure, every decision they wish they could undo. And in doing so, they unknowingly freeze themselves in time. But life was never meant to be lived in rewind. Life moves in one direction, forward. The moment you truly understand that, something inside you begins to shift. You start to realize that the most important version of you is not the one who existed yesterday, but the one who is being built right now, in this moment, with every thought you choose to believe, and every action you choose to take. Imagine two people standing at the exact same starting line. Both have painful histories. Both have failed before. Both have scars from their past. Yet one person constantly looks back, carrying their old mistakes like chains around their ankles. The other person acknowledges the past, learns from it, and then steps forward with determination. 5 years later, their lives look completely different. Not because their pasts were different, but because their perspectives were. Your perspective is the lens through which you interpret everything that has ever happened to you. If you see your past as proof that you are broken, you will walk through life cautiously, afraid to try again. But if you see your past as proof that you survived, that you learned, that you grew stronger each time you stood back up, then your past becomes fuel instead of weight. And fuel is powerful. Fuel drives engines, moves mountains, launches rockets into the sky. The same thing can happen with your life. The very experiences you once wished you could erase can become the foundation of your greatest strength. Think about the strongest people you know. They are not strong because life was easy for them. They are strong because they refused to let difficulty define them. They were knocked down, misunderstood, underestimated, and sometimes even betrayed. Yet instead of letting those experiences turn them bitter, they allowed those experiences to refine them. Like steel forged in fire, they came out stronger than before. And here is something most people never realize. The future does not ask for permission from your past. Tomorrow does not check your history before arriving. It simply shows up, offering you another chance to choose who you want to be. That means the power to change your story has always been in your hands. Not in the hands of the people who doubted you. Not in the hands of the circumstances that hurt you. And certainly not in the hands of your past mistakes. It has always been inside you. Right now, at this very moment, there is a version of you that exists in the future. A stronger, wiser, more confident version. That person is not waiting for the past to disappear before moving forward. That person is built every day through the decisions you make today, through the courage to try again, through the discipline to keep going when motivation fades, through the quiet determination to prove to yourself that your story is far from over. Too many people underestimate how much their lives can change in a single year. They assume that because the last few years were difficult, the next ones will be the same. But history is full of people who transformed their entire lives in moments that seemed ordinary at the time. One decision, one risk, one moment of courage, one refusal to quit. That is all it takes to start rewriting your future. The past might whisper doubts in your ear, reminding you of the times things did not work out. But remember this, the past only speaks with the voice you give it. If you stop listening to those doubts and start listening to the possibility of what could be, everything changes. Your confidence grows. Your actions shift. Your energy becomes focused on building instead of regretting. And when that happens, something extraordinary begins to unfold. You begin to realize that the person you were is simply part of the journey.